date sueldo. Mami, 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 chupami.
Hey Jenny, okay, okay.
What she ordered and what she got.
And swipe up for the bitch clap. Swipe up. Swipe up for the bitch clap. Yari, 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 yari.
Good morning, amiga. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Vlogmas video, the 5th Vlogmas video. We are 5 videos into this journey, 5 out of 15. I am super proud of myself. So yes, let me know if you are enjoying the Vlogmas content. I am just happy that this is going well. I'm thriving, I'm doing it, and I'm just excited. As I'm filming it, it is Monday, last Monday when you're watching this, because you will be seeing this video on a Friday. I'm gonna get started with today. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a nice comment down below. Let me know what you think about my Vlogmas content so far, and if there's anything you would like to see, let me know also. Like, I have received a few fun video ideas from you guys, and I am definitely gonna do something with it. So if you already sent something in, great, thank you. But if there is something that you would like to see, let me know in the comments. And we're gonna get started. Today is a Monday. I need to start working at 1:30. I have the late shift today. So what I'm gonna do now is change the bedding and refresh my room a little bit, like tidy up, start with that, decorate maybe. Depending on how much footage I will have today, I will maybe vlog tomorrow and Wednesday as well and make that one vlog, but it just depends on how long this video is gonna turn out. We'll see tonight how much I collected, and I'll keep you posted about that. But yeah, let's get started with my room. Let's change my bedding, let's tidy up my room. Let's go. I got coffee. Benny made me a cup of coffee, which is so nice. Damn, I love this, man. Oh, it's foamy. Taste test. Delish. Okay, amiga, I am now behind my desk. I already showered after I got my room done, and I also have like a little brunch, just eggs with some ketchup and sandwiches, and I'm gonna work for my daytime job. Today is the first day of me being back at work. It's still working from home, so that's great. But yeah, I'm gonna work now a little bit, so I'll see you during my break.
amigas, I'm here sitting with 2 laptops, just chilling.
Nobody can see your laptops.
Why are you such a hater?
It is now the next day. It is Tuesday and I am in bed editing. Yes, because yesterday night I was so tired. I had so much screen time from my daytime job already that I didn't have the energy to edit anything. So I'm gonna do a little editing sesh in bed, try to get this video for tomorrow done so that I don't have any stress tomorrow or tonight about it. So yeah, I'm gonna work on that. I made myself a cup of tea. Benny is getting ready to go to the dentist, and yeah, that's the little update. So I'm gonna get into my editing hole and just get this done because it needs to be finished for you to have it for tomorrow. So yeah, that's that. I'll talk to you later. Oh. Oké. Ik was al bezig te filmen. How about that?
Maar jij had gegroet.
Wie gegroet? Jou gegroet.
See you later.
See you later.
En ik later.
Later. Mag de deur een beetje dicht, schat? Mag deze een beetje dicht?
Een dicht.
Niet helemaal, maar gewoon een beetje. Ja, zo. Benny is leaving for the dentist and I'm gonna be home alone for a few hours. So that's perfect. So that I can get this shit done. So yeah, let's get to work. Alright, amiga, it is now 11 and I am still editing. I took a little break to get myself some snacks because I'm feeling a little bit hungry, and Benny said that he's gonna stop at the bakery if he sees one to get like some croissants and maybe like some pastries and stuff. He won't be home for another hour yet. So I have some yogurt, I have a banana, and I also have like a between bar and a new tea. So I'm gonna continue to edit. I have 2 more days to edit into this vlog, so I think I will be busy for maybe another hour or maybe 2 hours, hopefully 1, but probably 2. Let's continue. Let's get back into the editing hole. So spoiled. My boyfriend brought me a coffee that he made for me. So nice. Benny got home. He wasn't able to stop at the bakery because the bakery was closed. The one that he chose was closed. But instead he made me lunch. So here I have a focaccia bread with some eggs and some mayo. That's one of my favorite things to eat. And I'm still in the same spot. I have 1 more day to edit from the vlog and then I will be done. But tonight I won't be able to do too much because I have to wake up early tomorrow morning since I'm going to the Netherlands with my friends. I need to see if the plan is still on, but we're supposed to go to the Netherlands tomorrow with my friends to like some Christmas activities, shopping and all of that. So yeah, tonight I will have to sleep early, but I'm gonna eat my food, rewatch what I edited so far and see how far I can get with the vlog. So yeah, pretty lazy day. So no, it's not lazy, it's lazy when it comes to me, but I've been really productive this morning so far. So yeah, I'll talk to you later. I will have to shower during my lunch break when I'm working for my daytime job because ain't nobody got time to do that right now. Oh my god, amiga, I've been working for a while now, but it's just a crazy day at work. Everything, we have an outage going on and it's just very stressful. So it's now almost 6, or it's 6 o'clock. And I'm now gonna make myself a matcha because I need it, you know? I have to work until 10 and it's not gonna go if it continues to go like this. I need some energy. So I'm gonna froth everything up in my little frother. Even putting the matcha in there, like, and a teeny tiny bit of my Monin syrup. You know, like drizzle some in there, and then I'm going to mix it up. Next up, I'm gonna put some ice cube in my glass. Can be greener though. It's so good. I'm gonna go back to my office and continue to work. And I think you know what that looks like because you saw me do it yesterday. It's the same, but a little bit more stressful. So I'm gonna go back and continue my shift. In an hour, I will have my break. So.
Mami, 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 chupa mingo.
So, amiga, it is the next day. Today is Wednesday, and I'm in the car with Anna and Ida. Say hi, girl. Hi. Yeah, we're on the way to the Westfield malls in the Netherlands. We are already in the Netherlands, and we have like a pretty good and solid, not bumpy at all ride to here, so that's amazing. And yeah, I thought I would say hi and start the day here, but I'm so excited. Biggest mall of the Netherlands, or biggest mall of Europe, they said. I don't know if that's true. Nose and I have been there before, but that was when the mall was just opened. So I'm curious to see what else is there to do, because I saw a lot of TikToks and I was like, oh my god, I didn't see that and I didn't see that. So today we're gonna experience it to the full extent, and I'm excited. I'm hungry too. So I'll talk to you when we're there. Amiga, we're here. We finished taking the pictures, and now it's time for the mall. Let's go! So this is the fit of the day. See, my socks are ruining it a little bit, but hey ladies! Amiga, we arrived at the mall and we are at Pavarotti Dolce. I saw this place on Instagram and it is so cute. It's pink, it's cute, it's decorated nicely, and it's just heaven. So we're now gonna order, and then after that we're gonna eat and then shop. And we already decided on where we're gonna eat before we leave, and it's going to be Fat Phil's. Fat Phil's it is.
Yep.
But yes. Alright, we got food is here. Food is here. This is the bubble waffle, and Anna ordered poffertjes, and this is what she got. Where's the expectation? Show us the expectation. What she ordered and what she got. Seriously, amiga, this mall, it is crazy. Like, it is so beautiful. You need to come see it for yourself. I'm obsessed. The first time I came here, we couldn't go into any store because it was super busy everywhere. The lines were crazy. But now it is just amazing. And with all the Christmas decor, it is beautiful. If you live in the Netherlands, I definitely recommend coming and seeing it. It is amazing. It's beautiful. Ida, what do you think about the mall?
Wow, I don't have words for this.
Yeah, right?
Beautiful, just beautiful.
Ja.
Like,
Ik heb ook net gezegd van als je in Nederland woont, dan moet je echt even komen. Want vooral met de kerstversieringen.
And you need all day to see everything.
Yes.
All day.
Come early and try to see as much as possible because it's beautiful, beautiful. Obsessed, obsessed.
Yes.
And now we're going to H&M Home. Like, look, this is a big H&M Home. Hopefully my husband doesn't boot me out of my home after coming home from this, you know? Amiga, it's been a while since I've spoken to you, but we are now gonna have some food. We are at Fat Phil's and it looks amazing. Let me put it like that. Ida picked it as the place where we're gonna eat. So I'm curious to see, but the pictures looks amazing. And it's also pretty cute in here. Our adventure at this beautiful mall is coming to an end. We just bought snacks and drinks at Jumbo right there
You see that? Yeah, we just bought drinks and snacks for on the way, and we're now gonna drive back home. When I get home, I will do a haul for you. And yeah, that is it for this beautiful mall. But we will be back. I take back all my words from the first time that it was overrated. It was really fun, but maybe these girls have something to do with that this time, you know, like it was so much fun. And the first time that I came with my sister, nothing was really open and it was really busy. You had to make an appointment to shop. The lines were crazy, and this time that was not the case. So yeah, definitely a great experience. If you live in the Netherlands and you haven't been to the Westfield malls yet, come visit, because it is definitely worth it. Visit Phil's, Fat Phil's, best Philly cheesesteak fries ever. Go check that out. It was bomb.com. And yeah, is it the biggest mall of Europe? I don't know. I don't know if it's the biggest mall of Europe, but it is a great mall, that is for sure. What do you guys think? Wat vonden jullie ervan? Mag ook in het Nederlands.
Ja, ik vond het super leuk. Echt een leuke ervaring. En ik vind wel dat het toch een van de grootste shoppingcenters is van.
Ja, zeker een 10 op 10. Heel mooi. Zeker nu met die kerstversiering.
Ja.
Super groot.
Vriendelijke mensen.
Ja.
Dus ja.
Ja, ik kom zeker aan vast terug. Super leuk.
Ons zie je sowieso terug.
Yes! Bye Westfield Malls! Thank you for having us!
It was nice to meet you.
Hey, it definitely was! Alright amiga, your girl is home, and I thought I would give you a little haul. I am exhausted, but I had the best time, as you probably have seen by the footage that you saw before this. The girls were here at 8:15 a.m. and we left to the mall. We were there around 10, so it was like less than a 2-hour drive, but we had no traffic whatsoever. It was like a fluid drive without any interruptions or anything, so we're grateful for that. The way back home was also very smooth, no problems at all, no traffic, anything. And the stores, the non-essential stores in the Netherlands, close at 5 now because of the COVID restrictions. But it's okay in my opinion, because otherwise we would have spent even more money than we did. But I would have loved to not have to rush that much. And yeah, I'm gonna start with the easy things that I got. The first few things I got at Douglas, which is kind of like a Sephora. First thing I got is this Professional primer from Benefit. I got this lip liner from NYX in the shade London. I have another brown one at the moment that I'm using, and I'm loving it so much that I wanted to have a backup, and we don't have NYX anymore here in Belgium, so I figured this would be great. The next thing is this Florence Cheekbone. It is a cream blush. I've been loving cream blushes lately, but I don't have a really good one, so I wanted to give this one a try, and it is in a peachy color, so hopefully it gave what it is supposed to give. I have so many things. Let me start with the snacks. So I also have Dunkin'. I got me and Benny some donuts as usual. I always get these when I go to the city, and it's been a few weeks since I got donuts, so this is the collection that I got. Simple ones, Christmassy but cute. Then I also got a few things at Yamin, which is a candy store, and they now have a big variety of American candy and snacks. The first thing I got is this goldfish, and the flavor is blasted with extra cheddar. So this is it. And we also got Cheez-Its. I've never tried these, so I wanted to see what they taste like. I think I'm gonna love them. I don't know, but you know, a little cheese cracker, who doesn't love that? Then we also got, or I also got, the Cheetos Jalapeno, and it's the crunchy one. I'm very curious to see how this is gonna taste. And also a Cheeto Crunchy, which is the cheese flavor. Anyone else that like gets dehydrated because of your mask? Gus, same. Let me continue with more food. We stopped at Jumbo, and there I got like a few of these Mogus. I know that Benny really loved these. This is the passion fruit mogu, and I got 2 of those because I've never tried this one either, so I wanted to give that a try. I also got a big bottle of the blueberry white tea from Arizona. This is thebomb.com, and I thought it would be nice to have a little bottle while I'm working tomorrow. Then I also got the mogu watermelon. I got that 2 times. Then I got the best sauce in the world, a small one, because they only had a small one at Jumbo. I didn't even expect for them to have this, but Shiseido, and the spicy one is not even that spicy, but it's delish. This just is soy sauce on crack. And Benny introduced me to this because apparently it's really something, a staple in every Surinamese household, but now it's also a staple in my household. This tastes good with everything: noodles, chicken, beef, like freaking everything. You can put this, now I want to put it on sandwiches, but every freaking dish, this. Then I also got a Fanta. I bought it to drink in the car. Like, I acted like as if we are gonna drive to Paris or something. I got a mango Cool Bass drink and also a teriyaki sauce because we are out of it, so got that. Next up is H&M Home. There I got 2 vases. The first one is this, like a textured baubled flower pot. And then this one, I already have this one, but it's now in the living room as well. So I wanted these 2 for in my office to pimp it back up because I miss having them there. So yeah, these 2, really cute. And I also got a cute little discount since Anna works at an H&M. So I got a cute little discount, which is always nice. What else do we have? We have more H&M, but this is H&M to wear. And we also have a few things from Action in this bag. But the first thing I got is wrapping paper. Like really cute wrapping paper. In this gold color with little stars on it. It was the cutest that they had, in my opinion, or that fits my aesthetic the best. So I decided to go with it. And I'm gonna wrap up everything in that. The only thing that I still want is like black bows to even make it even more aesthetically pleasing. But I will look for that, and then maybe I can do like a packing or wrapping gifts session on my channel and include it in the vlog. So TBD. Then I also got a planner for 2022. I love planning. I'm obsessed with planning. If you've been catching up with my vlogs lately, it has been helping me so much to keep my life organized and to have a better overview of everything that I have to do. And now that my YouTube channel is starting to kick off a little bit, I'm getting brand deals and stuff, and it's very, very important for everything to be turned in time and to have a good overview of what my week is gonna look like. So a planner is a must. And I'm planning to make this a little series in the future in 2022. So stay tuned for that, like more productivity videos and things to help motivate other people, like with journaling, with planning, with making to-do lists, things like that. So yeah, a new planner. We got 2 candles, as if I don't have enough candles right by now. But I got 2 more Glade candles. These smell amazing. They are forest fruit scented. Amazing. I had to get them, but just 2 of them. I already bought a lot of candles in one of my recent vlogs, and we're not out of them yet. But you can never have enough candles, you know? Then I also got like some batteries because I have a lot of battery operated lights that I'm using for Christmas right now. So I figured these could become in handy. If anything runs out of battery, then I can replace it. The next up is H&M, but like H&M clothes. I'm gonna start off with these little bear earrings. I thought this was so cute, and just to wear them with other earrings. So I got these. They're very like on trend at the moment, and I thought it was so cute, so I got it. At H&M, it was my lucky day because Anna works there. And I even got a discount on top of my discounted shit already, you know? But anyways, if you don't have someone who works at H&M, you can still get these pants for 20 euros only. They were on sale. See? 20 euros only. And they fitted so nice. Like, I am so happy with these. I will style them in the future because right now I do not have the energy to try on any of these. So I will show you in a future vlog. No worries. I got this black cat suit for only $10.99, but it was less because of the discount. So if you don't have the discount, it will be $10.99. It is just a simple black cat suit, and here it has these holes where you can just put your thumb through. I felt like it was a little bit big on me, but Anna said it looks okay. And I don't really know yet if I'm gonna wear this out, but at least I have something cute to wear at home, you know? Never hurts to be sexy for your man and for yourself, you know? And the last thing I got for myself is this shirt. It is a turtleneck in this very fun ripped material or rip material. You can zip it all the way up or you can zip it down, like whatever you want. And it also has like these holes in the sleeve where you can put your thumb through. So really cute. You will see it on me soon, but I thought the color was really nice and I got it. And then the last thing I got is for my man's. It is this hoodie with the Simpsons on it. I think he will like it. Sometimes he just loves like things with graphic prints and stuff. And I think this will be very, very cute for him. If you don't have the discount, it will be 29.99 euros, by the way. But really, really cute. And I hope it fits him well. So I'm gonna give that to him. Actually, I should wrap it up and put it under the tree, but it's okay. I can't. I'm too excited to give it to him. So I'm going to do that. And yeah, that is it for my little haul. That is everything that I got and bought and name it. You name it, you call it. I think that is it for this vlog. I hope you are enjoying the Vlogmas content so far. This week it's a little bit more challenging because I started to work this week. I have the late shift tomorrow, but I worked the late shift on Monday and Tuesday. And even today I had to cross promote my video while I was in the car driving back home. So it was a little challenging and it gives me a little bit of anxiety knowing that it's already Wednesday and I have nothing done yet for this vlog. I haven't edited or imported anything for this vlog yet. So it's a little stressful, but I hope to plan my shit better in order to get all the videos out in time. So yeah, tomorrow morning I will get my shit together and start editing this vlog. And yeah, it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. But let me know what you think about the content so far. I struggle a little bit with lighting because it gets dark. Very early in the day. But Vlogmas is not about posting perfect videos. It's about showing what you're doing and getting into the Christmas spirit. So yeah, if you are stressed out about anything, just remember that this year Christmas and the holidays should be about relaxing, should be about spending time with each other. Stop stressing yourself out about presents, about outfits, about everything, literally. Take it slow, do what you can and how you can. That is very, very important. But yeah, with that being said, I am gonna wrap up this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave me a nice comment down below. And I'll see you for the next video on Sunday.